I think we are all bored with Excel and how bland it is. However, today I'm planning to spin a bit of a twist on it. This sheet has about 500 cars with MOT deadlines, registration plates, and MOT notice, which tells the system to let me know 30 days before the actual date of the MOT. That is due, that is. I'm gonna grab one registration. He says one registration from here, just a random one. Yeah, that will do fine. Nah, don't save anything. I am using XAMPP as a web server, and I'm gonna expose this entire quote-unquote database, Excel file, onto the local network, so any employee in the organization can access this and see. By default, the entire page tells me all of the cars that need MOT within the next 30 days. So you got, let's pick this one. It's a Kia with some UF16WGN reg. It needs MOT by the 25th of February. All good. Not that really useful, because potentially you could get that information of their Excel file. However, this is on the web. I'm using PHP, some basic stuff, nothing complex. What is much more interesting for the user of this page is the ability to search. So you're gonna jam in the registration plate you're after, press the search button, and voila. This car will need a MOT in about 12 months. And that's basically it. You can have thousands upon thousands of entries, and this should still work kind of fine. It just gives you an idea to imagine what you could do with your Excel files. I am going to create a bit more complex version of this that will allow you to see history, because now there is no history happening. Obviously, if you change something in that Excel file, it will have a reflect here. Now, the other function is when you don't remember the registration plate, still want to look for it, you can type in the, let's say, 2 characters that you remember, and it will find any reg that has a string of CJ, and it did. CJ16, there's a CJ here, CJ at the end, and CJ here, and then you go, aha, I was looking for this one, for instance. But yeah, you get the general picture, and this might be useful to someone. I don't know who, but I always find it interesting that you can do these kind of things. Anyway, thanks for watching.